Hey guys, this is Brother Preston Taylor here, just making this video to give the details for the Charlotte Soul Winning Marathon and to invite you out to come. We're going to be meeting in Charlotte, North Carolina on next Saturday, December the 9th, to go soul winning all day. We're going to be meeting at the Nevin Community Splash Pad, which is near the UNC Charlotte, and we're going to be meeting there around 9:30ish. We're going to try to leave at or by 10 a.m. to go out soul winning and go soul winning for a couple hours. Then we're going to meet back for lunch and fellowship, and then we're going to go back out soul winning for the afternoon, and then we'll meet back again somewhere and have dinner and fellowship. Of course, this is not a church soul winning event, so food's not provided, so you'll either need to bring food or prepare to pay for lunch and dinner. But we were still going to fellowship. The address for the Nevin Community Splash Pad is 6100 Statesville Road in Charlotte, North Carolina, 28269, and that will take you to the entrance drive. And so make sure that you're going to the right part of the map for where we're going to be meeting at. Where we will be meeting, you can see, is right at the beginning of the park. The very first left turn when you turn onto the drive will take you to a playground and a splash pad, and we're going to be meeting up at the covered shelter there. And just thankful to our pastor, Pastor David Berzins, our church, Stronghold Baptist Church in Norcross, Georgia. They're going to be helping giving the materials for this soul winning event. But just a reminder, this isn't a church soul winning event, so food, again, is not going to be paid for. So just remember to bring food or to be prepared to pay for lunch and dinner if you come with us. But yeah, if you're planning to come, please let me know so I can help prepare for materials, water bottles, soul winning maps, and all that stuff. So yeah, we'd love to have you.